everyone. Welcome back to UPSCI's Desk Official, your trusted destination or your trusted friend for UPSC preparation and other state PCS examination for current affairs and in-depth analysis of any important topic. Um, today also we are going to discuss a unique political development that has attracted widespread attention on social media: the emergence of Cockroach Janta Party. So what we are going to discuss, we have certain questions that we are going to find the answers about it in today's editorial. Okay, is it a real political party? Why has it become so popular in short period of time? And can anyone with such emergence register a political party in India? What role does the election commission has to play in the process? So let's understand this issue from exam perspective. So, what is the issue? So, recently, we all know that a comment has been made by Chief Justice Surya Kant during court hearing that sparked significant discussion. And according to the report, the comment was about unemployed youth moving toward journalism and activism were compared with cockroaches and parasites. And later they made a clarification that it was not intended for India's youth in general. It was for the people, those who are trying to be journalists and activists with fake and bogus degrees. So, however, till that time, the statement has quickly spread across social media platform. As a response, many internet users begin using the symbol of cockroaches as form of satire and protest. So, this eventually led to the idea of the Cockroach Janta Party (CJP). Although it has begun through this online satire, but it has gained considerable attention, attracted millions of views and followers within short period of time. Right? Okay, now why the cockroach symbol? So the supporter of the idea, they say that the cockroach is very difficult to eliminate and highly adaptable to their surroundings and able to survive in difficult and adverse condition, and it is symbolic of ordinary people, those who are facing their daily struggles in their lives. So critics are just viewing this as merely an internet joke and political satire, but whatever it is showing the social media power, that how a small courtroom hearing transform into a nationwide discussion. So from UPSC perspective, what is more important here is freedom of expression. The freedom of expression is linked to Article 19, Clause 1, Clause 0 of the Constitution, which guarantees freedom of speech and expression. So this has already been part of all political discourse, like political cartoons, satire, parody, and humorous criticism. It has always been a part, but however, this freedom is subject to certain restrictions under Article 19, Clause 2, freedom of expression and respect for institution and democratic accountability. Uh, so so with that, can the Cockroach Janta Party become a real political party? Is there any chance? The answer is yes. They have to fulfill certain requirements. Under Article 324 of the Constitution and Section 29A of the Representation of the People Act 1951, the Election Commission has power to register political party. The conditions are as follows: apply within 30 days of formation, publish its proposed name, and that name should be published into national newspaper and to local newspaper. Certain documents they have to submit: party constitution and the rules and regulations that party is going to follow, and memorandum, the legal written document they have to submit to the election commission, and they have to pay certain amount through demand draft, and they have to submit at least 100 registered voter to prove that if members are registered voters. So 100 registered electors they have to submit, and they have to submit affidavit in that they have to come from president or general secretary, at least 100 party members confirming that they are not coming from another registered political party. So is that mandatory that they have to register, then only it works? The answer is no, it is not really compulsory. However, registration offers important benefit to the party. They get more preference in allotment of election symbol. Whatever symbol they want to choose, they can choose as per their wish, and eligibility for future recognition and better participation in the electoral process. Therefore, most serious political party they try to seek registration. So what are On the process that a party has to follow to become a state party. So, a registered party can become a state party if it satisfies any one of the prescribed conditions out of this five. Example, 6% valid votes and win at least two seats in assembly election, and 6% valid votes and win at least one seat in Lok Sabha election, and 6% at least 3% of seats or at least three seats in assembly election. Win at least one out of every 25 seats from a state in Lok Sabha election, and secure at least 8% of total valid vote in assembly election. Okay, in assembly or Lok Sabha election. Okay, so these criteria are decided by election commission. So how does a party become a national party? So now, uh, when the question is how does a party become a national party? A party becomes a national party if it satisfies any one condition out of these three conditions. Number one, 6% votes in four or more states, and won at least one Lok Sabha seats from any state. Win at least 2% of Lok Sabha seats from at least three states, and recognized as a state party in at least four states. So these are the criteria that they have to follow to become a national party. So what are the benefits? So benefits are many. Recognize state and national party receive several advantages. They first get reserve election symbol and only one proposal for nomination and two sets of electoral rolls free of cost, and broadcast time on TV on Akashvani and Doordarshan, and subsidized land for party offices and other facilities and advantages. So these advantages help help parties participate effectively in election. So the Cockroach Janata Party may have begun as a social media satire. Okay. But it has opened an important discussion about freedom of expression, youth participation, digital activism, and political mobilization and election laws in India. Whether it remains an online movement or evolve into an actual political organization, the episode demonstrate how social media can influence public disclosure in modern democracies. Okay. Now, one more important question is left. Okay. So the question is, uh, a cockroach Janata Party can theoretically become an election symbol. A cockroach can theoretically become an election symbol. The answer is yes, but only if they approve by election commission. And how election commission symbols work? There are two categories: reserve symbol assigned to recognized state and national party, example lotus, hand, elephant, and etc. Hammer, sickle, stars, and free symbols available for registered unrecognized parties and independent candidate. The election commission maintains a list of approved free symbols. So, can cockroach be approved? Legally, there is no constitutional prohibition on using an insect as symbol. However, the election commission would decide whether the symbol is distinct or easily recognized. Whether it is different or easily recognizable or not. It does not resemble, and it should not be resembled with existing political parties. Is it suitable for use on ballot paper and EVMs that they see? And it does not. It should not create any confusion among voters. So, if all the criteria will be satisfied, then definitely the election commission would give approval to use cockroach as the symbol of the party. So, from UPSC angle, can satirical movement become a registered political party? And if so, could it seek a cockroach as its election symbol? The answer is party registration is possible if legal requirements are met. Getting a cockroach as an official election symbol would require election commission approval, and there is no automatic right to obtain a chosen symbol. So, so from exam point of view, this issue is important because it connects constitutional provision and electoral laws and governance and contemporary current affairs. So thank you for watching, and if you found this analyze useful, do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more UPSC oriented current affairs discussion. Thank you so much.